exousia. Anjurati exousia.
Blessed Mother, hear my plea. I have waited over 20 years for this immersive combat. Well-written characters.
May we fight true in His holy name.
Captivating story.
This key unlocks more than the doors of hell. It unlocks our path to the future. A future made possible because of the price you paid.
An interesting villain.
Give me the key to hell. I will not ask again.
A fun endgame goal.
Legendary nodes are equivalent to legendary powers, where they have more powerful effects that can change the builds and ways that characters play.
By free they come. By free thy way opens. By the blood of the willing, we call thee home. Hail, daughter of hatred, creator of sanctuary! Hail! Lilith.